So I am shooting the Mathew 2024 29.5 inch ambush green. So I have also installed one of the vise. I forgot what the name where I ordered this from, but the little gadget can hold your release. So what I have the Onnex stands release, not the clicker one, but it fits nicely onto the bow itself. It's attached right to the stabilizer, sits nicely tucked in there next to the riser. So I'm pretty satisfied. So I'm shooting here 340 spine with a 26-inch arrow with the I believe 410 of grain, 100 grain tips. So here I'm shooting the 30 yards. Hopefully I make some good shot here. So again, I'm still new to this game, so I'm working on it. Right, so let's see how we do here after my last shot. We'll take a walk up there and take a look. I know I got a couple of flyers. Still learning to hold the 75-pound draw right to the wall. Still trying to get my angle point consistent so that I get a good shot every single time. Again, I'm still learning. I'm new to this archery game, but I'm loving it so far. So the little device that what I mentioned earlier is called the Advanced Outdoor Technology. This little device, gadget, if you want to call it. Again, it fits nicely with my release. All right, so let's see how we do at 30 yards. one flyer. I would say that's a decent grouping for 30 yards.